Hello YouTube, it's me Vincent from Wonders of London. I hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And I just wanted to talk about Bracken House briefly, because just in front of me over there, where we can see the number 8 bus to Tottenham Court Road going past, we have Bracken House, and it's named after Brendan Bracken. And Brendan Bracken was the founder of the Financial Times, and as such, Bracken House is the headquarters of the Financial Times. And interestingly enough, Bracken House is both the old headquarters of the Financial Times and the new headquarters of the Financial Times, because for a period of time the Financial Times actually moved away from Bracken House and they crossed over the River Thames to the other side of the river, which is famously known as the Bankside, however, as the South Bank. However, it is actually known as Bankside, and they had their headquarters there for quite a while until they decided to move back here very recently to Bracken House. And of course, this is where they were founded, at Bracken House. So it is both the old and new headquarters of the Financial Times. But a fascinating thing is that the founder of Bracken House was very close to Winston Churchill, and in fact he was one of Churchill's ministers during the war. And we talk a bit more about this individual and this relationship between Brendan Bracken and Prime Minister Winston Churchill on our Witches Tour, so be sure to check out the Witches Tour. But a little highlight to the friendship they had, or the how close they were, can be found here at the entrance to Bracken House. Because if you look in the center as I zoom in, you have the astronomical clock, and in the center, representing the sun, is Winston Churchill. So how magnificent is that at Bracken House? And of course, remember, do check out our Witches Tour, and we do talk a bit more about that connection between Brendan Bracken, Winston Churchill, and the occult. And of course, it is all in the shadow of the magnificent St. Paul's Cathedral. I do hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, let your friends know so we can grow more and more. Thank you very much. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc., wherever you are. Bye.